Coach, on a different topic, yung rule changes sa PBA, may reaction ka ba doon? No more timeouts players?
Magandang developments yon. Actually, yung mga rules na yon, unanimous kaming mga head coaches. No? We were consulted by the commissioner, by the technical committee. We had meetings about that. We had video sessions about that. Na fine-tune na rin naman nila. No? Kasi nung unang application nung mga rules medyo rough pa eh. No? But itong next season, next conference, I think mas refined na yung pag-apply ng mga rules dahil nga napag-usapan na namin kung saan pwedeng improve yung mga rules na yun. Pero natutuwa ako dahil we're going closer to the FIBA rules. And as I've said before, no, that's going to help our national team. That's going to help our players who will become Gilas players. Also, madalas tayo ngayon lumabas maglaro ng international games no? Even yung mga individual teams, not just our national team. No? Kami, nakapaglaro kami ng Jones Cup, yung Meralco nakapaglaro ng Dubai, no? Yung EASL, isa pang yun, international tournament that we regularly will participate in. So dapat talaga nag-a-adjust na tayo towards international rules. That's gonna help us with our SEA Games, that's gonna help us with our Asian Games. So conforme kami lahat doon. Wala kaming doon. We have no complaints about getting closer to the FIBA rules. Isang malaking adjustment dyan yung no player timeouts. That will also require tactical adjustments sa coaching aspect. It will also require an adjustment from the players' side na nasanay sila na pwede silang time out. But one good thing about that is it's going to reward good defense. It's going to reward effort and defensive intensity. So wala ka ng bailout with the timeouts. So I think that's a good development.